Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I am back, y'all, sharing with you all some upcoming projects, or at least some plans of some patterns that I'm interested in making, as well as some fabric. I have some fabric from Melanated Fabrics here that I'm going to share with you all, as well as some fabrics that I picked up at QuiltCon. I did go on Friday. They had QuiltCon here in Atlanta, and it was just amazing. I really enjoyed myself. That was my first time going, and I did pick up some fabrics, so I'm going to share those with you all. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. The first pattern that I'm interested in sewing soon or up next is this McCall's 8358. This right here is a reprint of the vintage Laura Ashley pattern. I really love this dress. What I love most about it is that you can wear it to the front or to the back depending on how you put it on. Duh. Depending on how you put it on and how you want to wear it that day, you can just flip-flop the necklines. So one would be kind of square, and if you do it the other way, it'd be kind of a crisscross. I love that detail. So this is definitely a pattern that I want to sew next. You all let me know if you plan to buy this pattern or if you have already bought it. This is, again, a Mrs. Wrap dress. I did get the larger size. I got it in the size pattern envelope 16 through 24. I don't know what size I'll cut. Well, wait a minute. I probably should have got the smaller size pattern looking at these finished garment measurements. See, this is what always gets me. I usually just get the pattern thinking, oh, I'm in the larger size. But looking at this bust right here in the size 16, that's a 55 and a half. Girl, let me go get the small pattern because based off these finished garment measurements, I could honestly cut the size 6, which I'm like, huh? The bust is a 48. I'm like a 41 and a half. And the hips is a 61. This is the very roomy dress. It's a lot of ease in this dress. Okay. Well, I probably would have to. I'm definitely going to go get the smaller pattern envelope. Luckily, we have them at the store at Melanated Fabrics. I'm just going to go swap it out. But anyway, I'm really excited to make this dress. I think it's going to be really cute. And again, I love that you can wear it reversible. So yeah, really excited about this one. I don't have a fabric here. If you all see my nails, please don't judge me. It's been a hard couple of last weeks, which is why you haven't seen me. My nails reflect the busyness of my life. It's just a mess. When I look at them, I'm like, yep, it's been that kind of week. It's been those kind of weeks. But yeah, so that's the first pattern that I'm interested in sewing. I don't have a fabric picked out for that one just yet, but this next one I do. Simplicity 9702. I love it. I am in love with UC on this pattern, and I do plan to make the maxi version. It is a tiered dress. It has a V neckline. I love the detailing along the arms, which I may do view B for the arms to have the longer sleeve on the dress, but I just love it. This is definitely my style for spring, summer. You all see me on Sundays. I'm just like in a loose dress. I love that. I love to just pull something on and go on about my day. So Simplicity 9702 is definitely the dress that I'm going to be making next, and I'm going to be using this rayon fabric here from Melanated Fabrics. How amazing is this fabric? Oh, I love it so much. I wouldn't open it, but I mean, I've already pre-washed it and she's just ready to go, but and y'all can see it. I love this. I think it's going to be perfect for this dress. And so I'm really looking forward to making this one. This is probably going to be the next one that I make. Next up, after this project, I'm really hoping to, this is an old McCall's pattern. Oh, let me get the right number because I pulled this one off the display. This is McCall's 8282. I feel like View C is back, and I'm excited about it. So I really want to make View C, but I want to lengthen it out. And so I'll probably lengthen it out to where View D is lengthened, but I do want to have that ruffle or that tier at the bottom of it. So that is what I plan to do with this dress. I'm holding it like this because the nails is in my head that they look a mess. But anyway, I'm really excited about this dress. I think another one that's perfect for spring and summer. I'm excited to make it. I did get this one in the large size pattern too. Based off the bust measurement, I'll probably go with the size 18 on the bust. Now, again, it's just a bust. I have to really dig in because I may have to do some grading, but I'm really excited about this one. Again, this is McCall's 8282, and I'm going to make that with this fabric. I love this fabric. This is from Melanated Fabrics here. It's a black background with a little floral print on it. I think it's so cute, and I think it's going to be fantastic for this dress. I just actually bought a dress from Walmart. I found it on the clearance, and I've been wearing it nonstop, and it's very similar to this dress. So I'm really excited to make it again. So this is what I'm going to make after I make that Simplicity one. I'm excited. I am so excited. The next one that is definitely going to be third on my list is Simplicity 9715. I want to make this button up top. I'm going between if I want to do the short sleeve or if I want to do the long sleeve, but right now I definitely want to make the top. I'm probably going to go, maybe I'll do view A. No, I'll probably do view B. I don't want it to be too cropped though, but I do like the short sleeves on it, so I may do view B. But for that one, I'm going to use this fabric here that I picked up at QuiltCon. This is a cotton fabric here, and I got this from Wildflower Quilt Co. But I think the designer of it, the company, is Ruby Star Society. You all may know, if you're a quilter, then you know. I think it's Ruby Star Society. I absolutely love their fabrics. And we got to meet some of their designers at QuiltCon, so I was really, really excited about that, and I'm happy that I grabbed some of the fabrics. So again, I plan to use this striped cotton fabric here to just make view B, which is, again, it's like a cropped short sleeve button up top, but I will probably lengthen it a little bit because I don't want it to be too cropped, but I'm excited for this. So this is the third project that is in the queue. I'm probably going to plan like a cut day where I just kind of cut out everything. That way I can just kind of slowly work on the projects and get things done. The next thing I'm going to share is this fabric here. More fabric that I picked up at QuiltCon. I only got 2 yards of it though. So in my head I was thinking, oh, I'll make a cami. But now that I feel it, I don't want to make a cami. For me, a cami needs to be like lightweight and drapey and moving. But this is cotton, so I'm kind of stumped on what to make. But I am kind of leaning toward making a bag with it. I don't know, a nice tote. My friend Faith, she just sent me like a link. It was Firefly Tote. I really like that tote. Maybe I can use these fabrics for that. I don't know, but we shall see. Speaking of totes, I did get this McCall pattern here for some handbags that I thought were so cute. The bags on this pattern are so perfect for spring and summer. They're in style right now. Let me get the number for you. This is McCall's 8272. And it's just a variations of different little handbags, tote bags. So I really thought this pattern was cute, and I really would love to kind of take a swing at making maybe 1 or 2. I don't know if I would use this fabric, but yeah, I would like to make 1 or 2. But that is all for the video, y'all. I just wanted to share with you all some upcoming plans for some projects that I have or some patterns that I have, as well as some fabrics. And I'm just excited to start back sewing. It has been kind of hard. All the children are in sports right now, and I really question our decision for that because it is a lot between track and basketball and soccer and gymnastics. That's why my nails look like this, y'all. That is why they look like this. That's why I've kind of been ghost. I have to shift focus. Whenever you don't see me, just know that I'm probably, focused on the children, the family, and doing what needs to get done. So thank you all so much for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I am going to be posting a video on Friday. It's going to be a sew along. I don't know if it's going to be for one of these patterns that I just shared. But I am going to be posting a sew along, and it is to match or kind of coordinate with something that was gifted to me. My mind is still blown that it was gifted to me, so I want to make something to wear it with. So I'm really excited. So make sure you come back Friday so you see exactly what I'm talking about. And if you have a pattern, you'll be able to sew along with me. All right, y'all. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. Blessings, everyone. Bye.